Welcome to GK class children. In the previous class we have completed with our 8th lesson. So today we are going to start with our 9th lesson, that is monuments of India. Yes. So actually what are monuments, children? Monuments means a state or building which represents the historical importance or the interest of the place. Yes, whether it may be a statue or a building or whatever it may be, it will represent the historical importance of the thing. Okay, so that is the meaning of monument. So in our India we have many monuments like Red Fort, Gateway of India, Charminar, Jama Masjid, Sanjay Stupa, Parliament, Red Fort, yes, Taj Mahal, Meenakshi Temple. So many are there like that. So many monuments we have in our India. So from that they have picked here the 5 pictures. So here you have to identify the picture and you have to write the name of that picture. Okay, and we will learn few things about the monuments what they have given here in your book. Okay, so you can open your page number 472 in your term book. Okay, so here they have given the picture. So the first picture they have given it is, see, if you see the picture only you can understand, you can check it out in your term book also. It is Charminar. Yes, so this Charminar, yes, so this Charminar is built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1591. Okay, so the first one, it is very famous, important. Every one of you have, we know this one. I think many of you have visited also this place. Yes, so this is built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1591. Yes, and it is built in to commemorate the end of plague in the city. So plague in the sense it is like a disease, children. So commemorate is like a celebration. So it is for the end of the disease. It is like the celebration they have built this Charminar. Okay, and this Charminar, it has 4 minarets. 4 minarets. I think every one of you know it has 4 minarets, 4 like pillars. It has 4 minars. Yes, and each minar stands, the base of that minar, for each minar it is standing on the lotus leaf. So base of that minar, it will have the lotus leaf, it seems. Okay, so this is about Charminar. So the first picture, it is Charminar. So you can write in your book, children. So they ask you to just look the picture and write the name of the monument. And this is there in Hyderabad. Every one of us know that it is there in Hyderabad. Yes. So next you have the beside one, the right side one. You have the picture. It is a Victoria Memorial. Yes. The picture is of Victoria. It is the picture of Victoria Memorial. Yes, and this is there in Kolkata in West Bengal. It is there in West Bengal in Kolkata, and it is constructed in the memory of Queen Victoria. Yes, in the memory of Queen Victoria it has constructed, and it is designed by Sir William Emerson. So Sir William Emerson have designed it, and it represents a blend of Mughal and Empyrean architecture style. So the architecture, whatever they have done, it looks like the Mughal and Empyrean architecture style. Okay, the next one, the third one, you have in your middle of your page, it is Sanchi Stupa, and it was built on the thoughts of Buddhist. It is Sanchi Stupa. Yes, it is Sanchi Stupa. It is there in Sanchi and in the district Raisan, and this is there in Madhya Pradesh. In Raisan district in Sanchi, it is the Sanchi Stupa is located, and this is located on a very big hill whose height is of 91. Yes, 91 meters height on the hill. This Sanchi Stupa is located, and it is constructed in the honor of Lord Buddha. See, on the honor of Lord Buddha by the Emperor Ashoka. By the Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century, this Sanchi Stupa was built. Okay. Next you have the Jama Masjid. Yes, Jama Masjid. See, you can see here. It is there. So Jama Masjid, it is the biggest mosque in India. Yes, in India it is the biggest mosque. Yes, and it is built by the famous Emperor Shah Jahan. Yes, Shah Jahan, he have built the other monuments also, like Taj Mahal, Red Fort also built by Shah Jahan, and this Jama Masjid is also built by Shah Jahan, and it is constructed in the year between 1644 and 1656. In these years between it has constructed, and the real name of this mosque is Masjid Jahan Numa. Masjid Jahan Nuha is the real name of this mosque, children. Yes, so the next monument you have, the 4th monument, it is Jama Masjid. Yes, Jama Masjid. Yes, next we have the last one, the 5th one. I think many of you have identified. It is Parliament House. Yes, it is Parliament House, children. Yes, so it is Parliament House. It is there in New Delhi. Yes, so this Parliament House has 2 houses again. One is Lok Sabha and one is Rajya Sabha. And in this Lok Sabha you have 552 members, and Rajya Sabha you have 250 members. Yes, and this Lok Sabha is also called as the lower house, and the Rajya Sabha is called the upper house. Like for this Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha we have leaders also. For Lok Sabha we have the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a leader, and for Rajya Sabha we have Tawar Chand Gehlot. Yes, Tawar Chand Gehlot is the leader of Rajya Sabha. Okay, so this is about your lesson, children. So in this lesson we have discussed about the famous monuments, the Charminar, yes, Victoria Memorial, Sanchi Stupa, Jama Masjid, and the Parliament House. Yes, so these are the statues or the buildings of the historical importance, yes, or interest, children. So here we have Charminar in Hyderabad we have, and it has a famous, it has 4 minarets, yes, and it is built by Quli Qutub Shah in 1591. Yes, and to commemorate the end of the plague in the city, they have constructed this one, and each minar, it has stood on a lotus leaf as a base. Okay, the next one we have Victoria Memorial, and this was constructed in the memory of Victoria, Queen Victoria, and it is there in Kolkata in West Bengal, and it is designed by the Sir William Emerson. Yes, and next we have Sanchi Stupa, and it is there in Sanchi in the Raisen district in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and it is built on a very big hill which has a height of 91 meters, and it is built in the memory of, in the honor of Lord Buddha. Yes, by the Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century. In the 3rd century they have constructed this Sanchi Stupa. Okay, next we have Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is the famous, the best, the most, the biggest mosque in India. Yes, and it is constructed by Shah Jahan, the Emperor Shah Jahan, and it is constructed in the year started in 1644 and 1656. Between they have constructed this one, and real name of this is Masjid Jahan Numa. Yes, it is the real name of the Jama Masjid. And the last one we have Parliament House, which is there in New Delhi, which has two houses, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The lower house, the Lok Sabha is called as lower house, and the Rajya Sabha is called the upper house. Yes, so for this one we have leaders also. The Modi, Narendra Modi is the leader of Lok Sabha, and Thewar Chand Gehlot is the leader of Rajya Sabha children. So in this Lok Sabha we have 552 members, and Rajya Sabha we have 250 members. Yes, so this is about the Parliament House. Yes, I think many of you have understood. We have discussed very important facts, very important points of the monuments which they have given in our term book today. Yes, so this is about your lesson. Yes, by this we have completed our monuments of India. So today's your homework is, in which year was the Taj Mahal built? Yes, in which year the Taj Mahal was built? You have to write the warm-up. So page number 472, the warm-up. They are asking in which year the Taj Mahal was built. So you have to write the year. Yes, if you write just year, it will be enough, children. Okay, so this is about your lesson. Yes, by this we have completed our lesson. I will meet you in the next class with the new lesson. Thank you.